Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting video where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Whether you are curious about how AI powers your favorite apps or how it's shaping industry, this video is your starting point. We'll explore the basics of AI, its history, real-world applications, and even how you can create your first AI project. So let's get started. We will start with the basics, that is, what is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, enables machine to mimic human intelligence, powering innovations like self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and personalized recommendations. Let's discover how AI is shaping our world. But before diving deeper, let's take a look at the incredible journey of AI throughout history. AI's journey began in the 1950s when Alan Turing proposed that machine could simulate human intelligence. Since then, we have witnessed AI achieve remarkable feats, from Deep Blue defeating Garry Kasparov in chess to AlphaGo mastering the complex game of Go. Today, AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a part of our daily lives, from smartphones to automation in various industries. So, how does AI actually work? Let's unravel the process. At its core, AI relies on data, algorithms, and outputs. First, it collects and processes vast amount of data. Then, algorithms analyze this data to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. For instance, AI helps predict weather patterns by analyzing historical data and current trends. This combination of data and algorithms is what makes AI powerful. Now that we know how AI works, let's explore its different types. AI comes in three types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is what we interact with daily, such as Siri or Alexa, programmed for specific tasks. General AI, which is still a concept, will mimic human intelligence across various tasks. Super AI, which would surpass human intelligence, remain a futuristic idea, often seen in scientific movies. Understanding these types help us appreciate where we are today and what the future might hold. But where exactly do we see AI in action today? Let's find out. AI is transforming industry worldwide. In healthcare, it detects diseases. In finance, it fights fraud. Retail uses AI for personalized recommendations, while transportation sees a revolution with self-driving vehicles. The possibilities are endless. Now, would you like to create your first AI? You can. Using Python, you can build a basic chatbot in no time. With libraries like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, coding AI become accessible. Imagine a program that responds intelligently to your questions, a small step into a big world. Here, I made a small project using Python only, where I created a user input where the function takes the user input and responds according to that using the data I fed using dictionary. You can also make this by simple coding and simple knowledge about the Python. But you can make it more functional using AI concept that we will want to learn furthermore. Despite its promise, AI faces challenges. Biases in algorithms, privacy concerns, and job displacement and critical issues. Responsible development ensures AI benefits all without unintended consequences. Now, ready to dive deeper? Start by learning Python, exploring AI libraries, build beginner projects, and stay updated with the latest trends. Your journey in AI can lead to innovation and exciting opportunities. You can start by today. Thank you for joining me on this journey through artificial intelligence. AI is more than just a technology. It's a tool for innovation, transformation, and endless possibilities. Now that you have learned the basics, it's time to take the next step. Start exploring, experimenting, and creating. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with anyone curious about AI. Together, let's shape the future with power of AI. See you in the next video.